Welcome to Trip Vision, your ultimate travel guide. Today we're taking you on a tour through one of the world's most iconic shopping destinations, the Dubai Mall. Whether you're a shopping enthusiast, a foodie, or just in awe of futuristic architecture, Dubai Mall has it all. Let's dive in and explore this dazzling city center together. Dubai Mall isn't just a shopping center, it's a city in itself. Spanning over 12 million square feet, it's home to over 1,200 stores, making it the largest mall in the world. But that's just the beginning. Along with its retail wonders, this mall boasts luxury boutiques, restaurants, and some jaw-dropping attractions. From towering skyscrapers to the cutting-edge design, Dubai Mall brings together everything that makes this city a true hub of luxury and innovation. As we step inside the Dubai Mall, prepare to be captivated by its lavish ambiance. The sheer scale and opulence are immediately apparent. It's a sensory experience that blends modern architecture with a touch of Arabian flair. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends fresh off the runway or exquisite, luxurious jewelry, Dubai Mall offers a shopping experience unlike any other in the world. With exclusive, world-renowned brands like Rolex, Gucci, and Prada gracing its halls, this is the perfect place to splurge on a timeless piece or simply window shop and admire the artistry of the world's most renowned fashion labels. Each store is a destination in itself, offering a curated selection of the finest goods. But don't worry, you absolutely don't have to break the bank to enjoy the Dubai Mall experience. There are plenty of fantastic and affordable options here, from popular retailers like H&M to Zara, offering a diverse range of styles and price points, ensuring there's truly something for everyone who walks through these doors. One of the mall's most amazing attractions is the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Located on the ground floor, this massive 10 million liter tank holds over 33,000 aquatic animals, including sharks, rays, and even king crocodiles. It's like stepping into a different world. And you can even take a walk through the glass tunnel, where you'll feel as though you're submerged in the ocean itself. Next up, let's hit the ice. In the middle of this desert metropolis, Dubai Mall offers an Olympic-sized ice rink. It's the perfect spot to escape the heat, whether you're a pro skater or just looking to have fun on the ice. You can rent skates, take lessons, or simply watch an exciting hockey match. It's one of those places that adds a little unexpected magic to your Dubai experience. After all that shopping and exploring, you'll definitely want to grab a bite. Luckily, Dubai Mall is home to a vast array of dining options, from international cuisines to local delicacies. You can dine with a view of the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system, or try out a fusion restaurant offering the best of East and West. For those who love gourmet experiences, you can visit places like at Atmosphere Kama, the world's highest restaurant, located in the Burj Khalifa. Now it's time for one of the most spectacular attractions at Dubai Mall, the Dubai Fountain. It's a water and light show that takes place right outside the mall. And let me tell you, it's truly mesmerizing. At over 900 feet long, the Dubai Fountain shoots water 500 feet into the air, all synchronized to music. It's a breathtaking experience that everyone should witness at least once. Shows run every 30 minutes in the evening, and they're completely free to watch. But wait, the adventure doesn't stop there. There's so much more to explore within these walls. If you're an adventure seeker with a taste for the extraordinary, don't miss out on VR Park. It's a state-of-the-art virtual reality park, offering a wide array of thrilling games and immersive experiences that will transport you to another world. Or for those looking to escape into a world of digital entertainment and heart-pounding thrills, the Hysteria Haunted House is sure to get your adrenaline pumping. Prepare to be scared as you navigate its terrifying corridors. And if you're looking for a truly unique and unforgettable experience, don't miss the Dubai Mall's incredible indoor ski area. Here, you can hit the slopes for some skiing action, build a snowman with the family, or just relax and enjoy the magical winter wonderland, all conveniently located inside the mall. Whether you're deeply interested in artificial intelligence, seeking cutting-edge VR experiences, or simply craving a luxurious and relaxing day out, Dubai Mall has something special and exciting for every type of traveler. It's an experience you won't soon forget. So there you have it, a glimpse into the wonder that is Dubai Mall. It truly is a retail paradise and so much more. A perfect place for shopping, offering a huge variety of brands, dining with countless culinary options, entertainment for all ages, and even a little relaxation amidst the hustle and bustle of Dubai's vibrant city center. If you're planning a trip to Dubai, make absolutely sure that this iconic mall is right at the very top of your must-visit list. But before we wrap up, there's one more unforgettable experience you can't miss. Ski Dubai, the mall's incredible indoor ski slope. Imagine stepping from the desert heat into a winter wonderland, complete with real snow, chairlifts, and slopes for every skill level. Whether you're a seasoned skier, a first-timer, or just want to build a snowman, there's something for everyone here. You'll see families laughing as they sled down the hills, snowboarders showing off their moves, and kids taking ski lessons from expert instructors. The crisp air, sparkling snow, and lively atmosphere make it a must-visit for thrill-seekers and families alike. Don't forget to check out the penguin encounters, the cozy cafes overlooking the slopes, and the unique chance to experience snow in the heart of Dubai. It's just another example of how Dubai Mall goes above and beyond to surprise and delight its visitors. So whether you're seeking adventure, family fun, or just a cool escape from the sun, Ski Dubai is the perfect way to end your day at the mall. It's truly a one-of-a-kind destination you'll remember long after your trip. Thanks so much for joining me on this exciting journey through the incredible Dubai Mall. I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more travel content, and leave a comment below. What's your absolute favorite part of Dubai Mall? I'd really love to hear all about it from you. Until our next adventure, happy and safe travels from TripVision.